Using Agoda gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to book accommodations and experiences easily. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card. Step 1. Check the gift card balance. Before using your Agoda gift card, check its balance to ensure you have enough funds for your booking. You can do this on the Agoda website or app by entering the gift card code. Step 2. Create or log into your Agoda account. If you don't already have an Agoda account, create one by providing your email and setting a password. If you have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 3. Search for your desired accommodation. Use the search function on the Agoda website or app to find the hotel or experience you want to book. Enter your destination check-in and check-out dates and the number of guests. Step 4. Enter the gift card code at checkout. Once you've selected your accommodation, proceed to the checkout page. Look for the option to enter your gift card code. Input the code exactly as it appears on the card. Step 5. Complete your booking. After entering the gift card code, the balance will be applied to your total amount. Review your booking details and complete the transaction by providing any additional payment information if necessary. Now you'll be ready to enjoy your stay or experience booked with your Agoda gift card.